For this activity, you will need to sit near the colored sweaters that you see on the screen. Your teacher might have them on a wall. Write your name on your paper. We are going to match the beginning sound to the pictures we see on our paper. Let's look at the first one together. What do you see? Ladder. Oh, what beginning sound is in ladder? Oh, great job. Now I remember when I looked at the sweater, there was an L, so I'm going to write an L on my paper. I also see that the color of the sweater is brown, so I'm going to color it brown. You are going to continue writing the beginning sound for each picture. Donut, pig, balloon, fish, goat, turtle, robot, snake, cat. After you write the beginning sound, you will color it to match the sweaters that are hanging on the wall. For a challenge, you can stretch out the words to hear the beginning, middle, and ending sounds.